So I believe that so many people waste so much time just doing so many different things and really never accomplish what they need to accomplish throughout their day.
Yeah.
Whether it's their day, their week, a shift, you know what I mean? A month, whatever it is. I believe that you have to have a hyper focus with extreme intentionality as to whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to accomplish at all times.
Yeah, and ultimately it's knowing what your deep-rooted mission is, what grounds you in what you're doing, you know. And our mission of Chiropractic is to help as many people as we can help and improve the lives of as many people as we can help. If that's not your mission, that's not your intention behind it, that's going to throw everything else off throughout your day.
Yeah, and as you know, I had struggles through school. I mean, I had setbacks, and it's like, man, I look at my life, and all those times that I had setbacks was normally because of a severe lack of focus or intentionality as to whatever I was driving to achieve.
And if you don't know what your end goal is, you don't know what you need to be intentional for today to get to that step, to tomorrow to get to the next step for the end goal.
Yeah, and they say there's a saying that most people overestimate what they can accomplish in 12 months or a year and underestimate what they can accomplish in 10 years. And so I really think you need to look deep into the future, set your eyes upon whatever it is that you want to achieve, maybe personally or professionally, and then start to work your way in reverse back to where you are that day and see what you're going to need to do. Set your intention upon it, run after, achieve it, and I guarantee you, you won't regret it.